Hi folks, we're back and I've got a little farther along here with my recreational center plan drawings, floor plan for the first level, the ground floor. So what I've got here, I got a men locker and a woman locker, and I had to get a stairwell in here, and I found some really nice families on Revit City. These are going to be lockers here in this area. And we're going to have just a walk-in shower with 4 shower units for the men on this side. And then, I need to drop in my toilet. We all know how to do that, but I'll do it since I'm here. I didn't do it. Systems, plumbing fixture. I'll just cancel that for now. Not that. I'll go pull my properties over here. And then I'll go down. See, I've got my, come on here. There you go. I'm going to go to toilet wall here. Yep, that one right there. And we'll place her right there. We don't really need the handicap one because we got one in our central bathroom. We just want one in here. In a locker, the men and women locker room. We got to do a little more detail now. These are the lockers. So I could select this, and I want to edit this family. So I want to look at edit just to see what it looks like. And there's our locker. Do a realistic view. So we got 4 here. Just to, okay. So we got 4 there, so that makes that's enough lockers, and then we've got a bench here. We can add more lockers if we like, and that's going to be for both men and women. And then, yeah, I think we'll need a sink in here as well. Now here's my training room here. Our training room. This is going to have all the exercise equipment. Weightlifting, and of course we'll need an opening to the basketball court. Let's see, door. I don't know if we'll do a double door. Let's see what we would do here. Let's see what that looks like. That's a possibility, but I don't think we need that much of an opening because that's going to probably be, let's just close that down here. And let's just get a door over here because we're going to need this access. Egress is an issue here. Actually, I need a door here as well. So I'm going to go here and place another door. Right, not that type of door. Okay, do that one right there. No, they want egress is important because they want to make sure if something happens, fire, anything, people can get out. So from here, we still can't get out. So I need a door right here at least, or a door here into the. Let's just do a door right here. I got to rethink that one. You want to get access to the court, of course, from here. Or I might do something right there because I might need that space for, because I want this whole room for I'm going to see how much equipment I can get in that room. This is going to be treadmills and everything. And then it's going to be my utility room right here. So now here's the entry. And we got a stair going to the second unit. You may need access to the basketball court from here, and then we got our central bathroom. Now down here, I'm working on a kitchen. This is going to be a retail area, maybe a lounge or something that I think a little restaurant or something here in this huge area, or a little bar or whatever they would want. And then I want to have some access from the outside as well. But anyway, guys, I just want to run you through where we are with this. And some of these families are pretty cool. I'm in my kitchen now, and what I need here, working on the kitchen here, we need a freezer here. And I may pull this wall down a bit. But this is going to be the last thing to do in the first level. Then we're going to the second level, which is going to be a clinic. Yep, believe me, a clinic and a computer lab. That's what they wanted. So I'm going to fix this. This is going to be a commercial style kitchen for a restaurant. Basically replacing the kitchen that they already have in the existing church structure. So we'll go in here and fix this and maybe access out here. So I'm sorry, guys. I've been taking a little bit of time on this one, but this is a good little project. This is a real project for me. This is a real job. I've got someone who wants this at a recreational center, and so far so good. So hey, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. We're going to move on with this. I think once we get the kitchen done, we're going to go to the second level, which is going to be a clinic and a computer lab, and then offices. So let's look at this so far, what we have in my 3D view here. Let's see what we got here. So it's coming along a little bit. We'll get the flooring in and everything, but yep, that's what we got so far. So hey, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Everybody be safe. Bye.